HMPV stands for human metapneumovirus. It's a virus, a very small one, that infects our respiratory system. Like its cousin, RSV, HMPV can cause a range of respiratory illnesses. Most people experience mild cold-like symptoms. However, HMPV can be serious, especially for young children, the elderly, and those with weakened immune systems. HMPV is highly contagious. It spreads through respiratory droplets. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, these droplets can travel through the air. You can become infected by inhaling these droplets or touching contaminated surfaces. HMPV is a common virus. Most children have been infected with HMPV by the age of 5. It circulates throughout the year, but it tends to peak in the winter and spring months. Because HMPV is a relatively new discovery, we are still learning about its long-term effects. HMPV affects people of all ages. However, it poses the greatest threat to young children, older adults, and individuals with compromised immune systems. For these vulnerable populations, HMPV can lead to serious complications. In young children, HMPV is a major cause of bronchiolitis. Bronchiolitis is an inflammation of the small airways in the lungs. This inflammation can make it difficult to breathe. HMPV can also cause pneumonia, an infection of the lungs, in young children. In older adults, HMPV can exacerbate existing respiratory conditions. For example, it can worsen symptoms in individuals with COPD or asthma. HMPV can also lead to pneumonia and other serious respiratory complications in older adults. Despite its impact, there is currently no vaccine for HMPV. Developing a vaccine for HMPV has proven to be challenging for several reasons. One challenge is the complexity of the virus itself. HMPV is an RNA virus, which means its genetic material is RNA rather than DNA. RNA viruses are known for their ability to mutate rapidly. Another challenge is the lack of a good animal model. Scientists often rely on animal models to study viruses and develop vaccines. However, HMPV does not cause the same kind of illness in animals that it does in humans. This makes it difficult to test the effectiveness of potential vaccines. Previous attempts to develop an HMPV vaccine have been met with limited success. Some vaccines have shown promise in animal studies. However, they have not been effective in protecting humans from HMPV infection. Despite these challenges, scientists remain hopeful that an HMPV vaccine will be developed. Researchers are currently exploring a variety of approaches to HMPV vaccine development. One promising avenue is the development of subunit vaccines. Subunit vaccines use only specific parts of the virus to stimulate an immune response. This approach has been successful in developing vaccines for other diseases. Another area of research focuses on developing live attenuated vaccines. These vaccines use a weakened form of the virus to trigger an immune response. While live attenuated vaccines can be highly effective, they may not be suitable for individuals with weakened immune systems. The development of an HMPV vaccine is a complex and ongoing process. However, the ongoing research offers hope that a vaccine will be available in the future. A vaccine would be a major breakthrough in the fight against HMPV, particularly for those most vulnerable to its severe effects.